Okay, so this is going to be a video of me selecting the tiles for the rosette. I think this is serial number 15, and this kind of brownish yellowish wood is ash, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so we have installed the tiles for the rosette, and now we need to make the little rings that will wrap around the rosette. And I've already inlaid the channels for those. I just have to bend and install them in there. And aesthetically, I think I'm going to go with black walnut because this is a pretty light wood, and I think that'll look great. So I'll bend some black walnut and stick her in there. Okay, the glue has dried overnight on the rosette. Let's take a look and see how we did. So now I need to flush it up to the surface of the front. So I will do that.